Hello all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. So I am going to explain you about this tree. Today we are going to continue with this tree and I am Parth Wadhwa from IT department. I am going to explain you further about this tree. So here, the first of all, the height of the tree is here. What is the height of the tree? That is the length of the path from the root to the deepest node in the tree, we can say. So here suppose the example is here. Suppose the deepest node जिसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, that is this. This is the first root node, the starting is, and this last one is the deepest node. So whatever the height is here, so that is the path, that is the 1, 2. The 2 is the different, 2 is the maximum height is of this tree. Now binary tree, if in a directed tree the out degree of every node is less than or equal to 2, 0, 1 or 2, that means 2 less than or equal to 2 means 0, 1 and 2. So then tree is called a binary tree. And strictly binary tree में क्या होगा कि that is what, that is having a tree that is each and every node having other than the leaves have a two children. मतलब 0 और 2 होगा ना, मतलब इसका मतलब लीव्स के अलावा जितने भी है बाकी सबके 2 चिल्ड्रन है, इसका मतलब लीव्स के अलावा जितना भी है 2 है. सो 0 और 2 आर द ऑप्शन फॉर दिस स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री. वी कैन से कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री में क्या होगा, व्हेन इफ द आउट डिग्री ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी नोड इज एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू द 2 और 0. ठीक है, 2 और 0, देन देयर नंबर ऑफ नोड्स एट लेवल इज 2 into I minus 1, that is particular tree is called a full or complete binary tree. So this is the difference between a strictly binary tree and complete binary tree. Now the sibling का मतलब होता है एक ही, जो मतलब बहुत दो जो है, दो चाइल्ड नोड है एक ही पेरेंट शेयर कर रहे हैं, then that particular part is called sibling. Sibling are the nodes that share the same parent node. जैसे यहाँ पे 0, 0 और 0, 1 है, that is sharing the parent is 0. So here now positional M-array tree. If we consider M-array trees in which the M children of any node are assumed to have M distinct position, if such position are taken into account, then the tree is called positional M-array tree. M-array tree ये पहले ही हम लोग देख चुके हैं, इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दिस अवर. ठीक है ना, जैसे बाइनरी होता है तो बाइनरी इज फॉर 2, वैसे m मीन्स डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ m कैन बी देयर. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज गिवन हियर. So here the binary tree is given in which the two different children are here. This is the complete binary tree in which each and every node except the leaf node is having the two children, and this is a particularly strictly binary tree in which 0, 1 or 2, 0 or 2 can be there. 0, 1 and 2, that is a binary tree. Okay. So here now how to convert any tree to the binary tree, now we will see here. So every tree that is to be uniquely represented by the binary tree, let's have an example of this. So here this is a binary tree, we are able to see this, right? So here now the particular part here I am going to explain you. So that is this. So here we are able to see, we have to see the root node. This is the root node. ठीक है ना. So root node will go towards the left and then it will go towards right. Okay. So here also this B will go towards left and then it will go towards right. ठीक है ना. So here we are able to see this part. So here according to this, so down part will go towards the left side, and this horizontal part will go towards the right child of that, and this B, this down part will go towards the left side and this part will go towards the right side. So this will go towards right side, and after that down side will go towards the left side, so here it will go towards left side. Then this also, here also F will go downwards towards G, so that will be left, and that's right side, so this will be right side, and G के नीचे H आ रहा है, so that will go towards the left side of this, and H के यहाँ पे right आ रहा है, so here it will go towards right, and J के यहाँ पे horizontal position है, so it will go towards right. So this is the way. So we can say that the particular, we can construct the binary tree from any tree, we can say, right? So this is in this tree we are able to see So here in this tree we are able to see that each and every node that is having only 0, 1 or 2. So this is having 0, this is having 1, this is having 2. So 0, 1 and 2 childs will be there, right? So here now next part we are going to see now how to convert the forest to the binary tree. So for this forest means what? Two different trees can make a forest here. So ऊपर का अगर root node हटा दिया जाए, so two different trees can make a forest. So here this tree and this tree, two trees are there. So these two are making a forest. Now how to construct a binary tree from these two trees in the forest, we can say. So first of all, the first part will connect towards this, that is in the right side. So A के right side में आएगा because that is a horizontal position, and down side में यहाँ पे इसका ये part आएगा left side वाला. So that will be and this will go here. So this will go here, right? So इसमें ये left side में आएगा और ये वाला इसके right side में आएगा, right? So here B will go here. तो B के जो राइट साइड में कौन सा आएगा, दैट विल सी, एंड इसके डाउन में कौन सा आ रहा है, दैट विल बी एट द राइट साइड, लेफ्ट साइड सॉरी. एंड आफ्टर दैट इसके भी यूँ इस टाइप से पोजीशन में आएगा, राइट? तो इस टाइप से पोजीशन में, तो दिस विल बी द, तो ये कौन सा आएगा, डाउन साइड है मतलब लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा, और इसके राइट साइड में ये एफ आ जाएगा, राइट? आफ्टर दैट जी के लेफ्ट में कौन सा आएगा, दैट विल बी एच हियर. सो जी के लेफ्ट में है. एच के राइट में कौन सा आ रहा है, आई. एंड एच के जो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में कौन सा आ जाएगा, जे. और फिर यहाँ पे जे के राइट साइड में के आ जाएगा, ठीक है, जे एंड हियर के. एंड आई के जो डाउन साइड आ रहा है, सो डाउन साइड दैट विल बी लेफ्ट साइड हियर, राइट? So in this way the particular tree is made now. So this is how to convert the forest to the binary tree. So this is all about this, what I want to explain about this tree. Now in the next lecture we will continue with the tree part also only. That will be the next part of the tree will be continued in the further part that is left, that will be continued in the next. So इफ़ यू लाइक, अगर आपको पसंद आया है ये लेक्चर, आपको कुछ भी लगा है कि इन्फॉर्मेटिव है, तो यू कैन बी एबल टू शेयर और यू कैन लाइक दिस, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब अवर HGC channel to see more videos regarding this or other subjects also. And thank you, and we will continue in the next part of this tree. Thanks a lot.